So welcome back for our part 2 for our pre-hip replacement surgery or before hip replacement surgery. Okay, so the next muscle that is affected that you need to strengthen before the surgery, one of the muscle is called quadricep. So the quadricep is the large muscle that is located on the front of the thigh in this area. Okay? So the action of this muscle is the main function is to strengthen the knee and support standing like this. Okay? And also walking and going up and down to the stairs. The quadriceps help strengthening the knee and play an important role in movements such as standing, walking, and climbing stairs. Strengthening this muscle may help support daily activities and improve leg stability. Here are the 2 simple exercises that may help strengthening the quadricep. Number 1 exercise is seated knee extension. And the next one is straight leg raise that I'm gonna show it later. Straight proper on this chair with your back is straight. Make sure that your posture is okay. With your 2 foot flat on the floor. Okay? So, slowly straighten your one knee, lift up your foot forward until your leg is straight. Okay? And hold this position for a few seconds. And then after that, slowly lower your foot back down to the floor. And do the other legs again. So just slow, lift up your foot forward until your legs. Okay? Then hold again for another few seconds. And after that, slowly down your foot back on the floor. And do it this, repeat for 8 to 10 times on each leg. The next exercise for the quadricep is called straight leg raise. Okay? So, I'm using this table to show it to you guys about the leg raise straight. So the straight leg raise, you need to lie down on the bed, lie on your back with your one knee bent on the table and the other leg straight. Keep it slowly, and the straight leg, you need to try to contract, use by your foot and ankle to contract the muscle, and slowly lift and straight leg upward to about the height of the opposite knee. And hold for a few seconds. Keep on holding until slowly lower the leg down on the table And repeat this for 8 to 10 repetition on each leg. The hamstring muscle helps control movement of the knee and support stability of the hip during daily activities, such as walking and standing. This muscle work together with the glute muscle to support the hip and help control leg movement. Keeping the hamstring strong and flexible may help support the hip and reduce strain during movement. So one of the exercise for the pre-hip replacement on the glute muscle is called the glute bridge. It's a combination of targeting for the glute and the hamstring. So the glute bridge is also hamstring exercise and also is strengthening the glutes as well and activate also the hamstring. So the primary target of the glute bridge is a glute, but it also helps strengthening the hamstring. It means the primary muscle that it work is a glute and secondary is the hamstring. So I'm going to perform the glute bridge that is also connected with the glute muscle, and also the secondary is the hamstring. So I need to lie down on this table, okay? So I need to lie down on the table. Make sure my both feet is like a feet apart, okay? And make sure your hand is relaxed on the table. And slowly lift up your buttocks or glutes up and hold for a few seconds. Take a deep breath and slowly bring it down. And do it again. Slowly lift up. Make sure that you straight your back. And slowly down. And repeat this for 8 to 10 repetitions. So the next and last exercise that you need to strengthen your muscle before the surgery is called the hip abductor. Okay? So the hip abductor is located on this side of the hip. Okay? So the action of this is going away your legs through your body. This muscle is play important role to maintaining the stability while you're walking. Okay? So the strong hip abductor, okay? So the strong hip abductor are important before the hip replacement surgery because it helps stabilize the pelvis and support the safe movement. So performing these exercises before surgery may help strengthen the muscles around the hip and legs. Stronger muscles can support the joint, improve mobility, and promote better stability. This may help make recovery after surgery smoother and may allow patients to return to their daily activities and work more comfortably and safely. Side-lying leg raise, you need to have your pillow to support your head, and the inner legs you need to bend like this, and the outer legs you need to straight. Make sure the outer legs is straight, is the toe pointed towards on the front, and also your knee and your ankle here is pointed on the ceiling. So when you raise it, make sure that is straight, okay? But make sure that your ankle is toward to the ceiling, like this. And hold for a few seconds and slowly bring it down and lift up again toward the ceiling and slowly bring it down. So it make your strengthening your hip abductor, okay? So you're gonna feel the movement of your hip abductor with this. So, and last that I need to perform is called the standing hip abduction or abduction, okay? It means that you stand up in front of the chair and hold the chair to support and bring your legs away from your body. So that is hip abduction or abduction, like that. So you need to stand up straight and slowly move one leg out of the side while keeping your other leg straight and your body straight, okay? And hold for a few seconds and slowly down. And do it the other side. Lift up your leg away from your body. Keep your body straight and slowly bring it down. And make sure that you feel the strengthening on your hip abductor muscle. Do it this for 8 to 10 times per legs. So the exercise that I'm going to show is the only for the pre-hip replacement surgery. This is the exercise that need to be strength the muscle that involved with the surgery, okay? Is the around of the hip joint, they have a muscle involved that you need to strengthen before the surgery. And also, some doctors, they are also advised to go for massage before the surgery so that the fascia is softened and the muscle is not tightened. So, thank you so much for watching.